Hi everyone, so for today's video, I want to unbox the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale box that I received from Nykaa. I received this box from Nykaa. Also, Nykaa's Pink Summer Sale is live, so you can check out in case you're thinking of stocking up any makeup or skincare or hair care or anything like that. Now, to be honest, I was not very impressed, or I was not very much excited by the last box that I received from Nykaa, which was their Pink Love Sale box, I think, because it either had products that I already had or products that I cannot actually use. There were like very few products that I could use from that box. But I did check out the products of this box and I'm really excited to unbox this right now because this has some good products. In fact, I did use a couple of products on my face for filming this look. This is up on my shorts feed, so you can check it out. I'm actually going to start with makeup this time because they sent some really exciting makeup products. So the first product that I have is the Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. Now, I have not tried this product before. I did use it today for this look and I would say that this comes very close to the MAC Strobe Cream. It's not as nourishing as the MAC Strobe Cream, but I really liked it. I feel that this is a good illuminating primer for summers because it has that glowy finish, but it's not heavy or anything like that. Next, I have the Nude Sticks Nudies All Over Face Color. This is a cream stick highlighter, I'd say. This is really good. I was actually eyeing this brand because I've seen a lot of makeup artists use this brand, so I was thinking of getting something from this brand. So I did apply this highlight on my face today and the glow that you can see is just from this highlighter. It's so smooth and it looks very natural. Like you cannot see any shimmer or glitter. Even if you look like up close, you can't see any shimmer or anything like that. It just gives you a beautiful glow. It's also not too heavy. You can easily blend it on top of foundation. So yeah, I really liked it. By the way, you also get a brush on the other side to blend this highlighter. So next I have the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette. This is their color-coded eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks on the inside. I think that this is going to be a super duper nude palette for me. I have already tried the metallic and the shimmer shades. I just love them. They are super duper shiny. I really want to try it out. I have never tried anything from Charlotte Tilbury before. So this is actually my first product from the brand. And yeah, I'm excited to try it out. If I film a nude makeup video, I am going to use this. Next, I have another primer. This one is from Renee. This is their Bollywood Filter Primer. This blurs out your skin really well. It has a very light formula and it also mattifies your skin. I have tried it once and I liked it. The MRP is ₹450. So next I have another eyeshadow palette. This one is from Huda Beauty. This is their Wild Obsessions palette. This one is the Python palette, I think. I already have all the three variants of the Wild Obsessions palette. One thing that I want to add here is that Huda Beauty palettes are amazing. Whether it's colors or neutrals, her palettes are just amazing. I love the quality. I love the pigmentation. I love how the shades blend. In fact, I'm wearing the Chameleon eyeshadow palette on my eyes. The eyeshadows also have good lasting power. They last. They do not crease easily. So yeah, I really think that her eyeshadow palettes are totally worth the money. I am actually obsessed with the Naughty Nude palette. So this is the Python palette. I actually did create like a green eye look with this palette a few months ago. I'm going to link it in the cards, the video in the cards. And I think that her colorful palettes are amazing. I think these are one of the best colorful palettes that you will find in the market. So if you like wearing colorful eyeshadow, you should definitely invest in her palettes. And then I have the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in Orange Corrector. I used to use Orange Corrector, but then my dark circles improved a lot and then I stopped using it. I don't like adding extra layers that I don't need to my makeup base. I will probably keep this for the bad days, on the days when I don't get enough sleep. Next I have something from e.l.f. This is the Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. Okay, I don't know about lashes, but I really wanted something for my eyebrows. So I am going to try it and see how it performs. I really like the wand. It does separate my brow hair really properly. You can see it looks fluffy. It's also clear, so good for a no makeup look. Next I have something from K-Beauty. This is the K-Beauty Ink Artist Gel Eyeliner. I already have this. This one is in the color bronze. I have all the colors. I really like the formula. It's long lasting. It is waterproof and it doesn't smudge. So these have like a very metallic kind of finish. So they give a beautiful shine to your eyes. So yeah, I really like these. I think those were all the makeup products. Now let's get to skincare. So the first skincare product that I have is from Kiehl's. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. You guys know that I use it in my routine. This is a really good gentle cleanser. I think this is perfect for traveling. Next I have this huge tube of the Innisfree Aloe Revital Soothing Gel. Now this is aloe vera gel. I think that this product is really going to help me because as you guys know, I shave my face a lot. So I think that I am going to use this for shaving my face. After this, I have the Minimalist and Niacinamide 10% face serum. I don't know why whenever Nykaa sends me a box, this serum is always in the box. Like every time I get a box from them, this serum will be in there. I think this is one of the best sellers from Minimalist. That's why they include it every time they send me a box. I actually prefer vitamin C over niacinamide, but I love both the ingredients because both of them helped with my pigmentation. Next I have the L'Oreal Glycolic Bright Instant Glowing Serum. This has got 1% glycolic acid. Now my skin's barrier is a devil. It can't tolerate AHAs. If I apply anything that has even the least amount of AHA, it disturbs my barrier the same day, like the moment I apply it. And I already have this serum, so I use it on my body instead of my face because I think that this is kind of harsh for my face. Then I have one of my favorite mascaras. I used to like it when it launched and then I stopped using it, but recently I rediscovered it, maybe that's the word, and I am really liking it. In fact, I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. This gives the perfect hold to my lashes, but first let me tell you the name. This is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I really like this mascara. It gives enough volume to my lashes and it does separate my lashes really nicely. It makes them look voluminous. I basically don't need false eyelashes when I apply this mascara. Next, I have the Forest Essentials Saundarya Advanced Age Defying Serum with 24 karat gold. Now I really like the fragrance that Forest Essentials puts in their products. It's not too strong and for me it's soothing, so I really like it. And this is a serum that you can use as the last step in your skincare routine because this is kind of oily, so I'll probably use it as the last step in my skincare routine. I am going to show you the consistency over here. You can see how oily that is. Like it's not heavy on your skin, it is lightweight, but it has like an oily feel to it. Next, I have a couple of hair care products. I've never used these products before. First is a conditioner. This one is from GK Hair. Now, I have seen a lot of hairstylists suggesting this conditioner, but since I don't have colored hair, so I'm not sure if this is going to benefit my hair in any way, but I am thinking of wearing highlights. I'm not sure yet, but if I do, I think I'm going to use this conditioner. And then I have a shampoo. Again, this is something that you can travel with. Perfect travel size shampoo. This one is from The Fabulous. I actually have never heard of this brand before. This is the Marula oil shampoo. It's for ultimate repair for damaged hair. I can actually use it because I use a lot of heat on my hair these days, so I am looking for nourishing conditioners, shampoos, hair masks. Those were all the products, and that was the pink summer sale box. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. To be honest, I'm not sure how to end a video like this, like an unboxing video. I don't know how you end it. I'm not sure if this video is going to be helpful, but yeah, I did enjoy sitting here and filming this video. I feel that talk through videos make me feel more connected to you guys, so that's it. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.